Good morning, Suprabhat. I am PL Misra. On behalf of Education for You, is going to discuss about voice change and activities of modal auxiliary verb in voice change. First of all, I am going to pronounce it and you write it down. First of all, in active, I shall do this work. In passive, this work will be done. In active, I can climb the tree. In passive, the tree can be climbed. In active, I could do that work. In passive, that work could be done. In active, we should pay respect to our parents. In passive, our parents should be paid respect. In active, we ought to obey safety rule on the road. In passive, safety rule on the road ought to be obeyed. In active, I may do this work. In passive, this work may be done. In active, I might do this work. In passive, this work might be done. In active, I would take a rest. In passive, rest would be taken. Let's come here, negative sentence. I shall not do this work. This work will not be done. I can't climb the tree. The tree can't be climbed. I could not do that work. That work could not be done. We should not pay respect to our parents. Our parents should not be paid respect. I may not do this work. This work may not be done. I might not do this work. This work might not be done. I would not take rest. Rest would not be taken. Let's come here, modal auxiliary verb. I have already told you two types verb, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Primary auxiliary verb has already been discussed in tense. You have already read and how it has been changed into voice, negative, interrogative, already discussed. But here some modal auxiliary verb are here. I have told you modal auxiliary verb, shall, will, can, could, may, might, will, would, ought to, would, should, used to, have to, has to, will have to, dare, need. All these are the modal auxiliary verb. But today I am not discussing elaborately about modal auxiliary verb. It will take special class. In that class I will convince you. But for the requirement of voice change, I am just presented before you all these examples. Let's come here. How it will be changed. It is very easy method. That means you have to use only be. And the verb always will remain in past participle. I have told you, main verb always remain in past participle. But in case of modal auxiliary verb, only the be will be used in past participle form. Let's come here, how I am arranging here. I shall do this work. This work is here object. It has, I have told you, it has taken first. This work will be done. Shall is here. Be is used here. This work will be done. Next one, I can climb the tree. Where is the tree is object? It has been taken first. The tree can be done. Can, then be is used here. As per formula, the tree can be climbed. Next, you can come here. I could do that work. That work is here object. It will be taken first. that work could be done. Could is here, be is here, added, could be done. We should pay respect to our parents. Here, our parents is object. It has been taken first. Our parents should be paid respect. Should is was here, then in passive it will be should be paid respect. We ought to obey safety rule on the road. In active, in passive, safety rule on the road ought to be observed. Ought to be observed. Then active is here. I may do this work. In passive, here this one is safety rule on the road was object here. Safety rule on the road. Next come here. I may do this work. This work is here object. It will be taken first. That's why this work may be done. May, then it will be added here be. This work may be done. I might do this work. As per formula, this work will be taken first. This work might be done. Might do, might be done. I would take a rest. Here rest is here object. Rest will be taken first. Rest would be taken in passive form. Here also there is no any problem. Only you have to insert not where applicable. I shall not, shall and not. A helping verb and main verb. In between helping verb and main verb, not will be established there. I shall not do this work. This work will not be done. This work will. Then will be. In between will be. Not will be established. This work will not be done. I cannot climb the tree. Can after claim. Then after can. Then not is established here. I can't climb the tree. The tree cannot be climbed. Then in between can and be. Not is here. Cannot be here. I could not do that work. After could, not used here. I could not do that work. Here next one in passive. That work could not be done. In between could and be, not established here. That work could not be done. We should not pay respect to our parents. After should, not used here. We should not pay respect to our parents. In passive, our parents should not be, should and be. In between should and be, not will be established here. That means our parents should not be paid respect. Let's come here. I may not do this work. May, modal auxiliary verb. Do, main verb. In between auxiliary verb and main verb. Not is established here. I may not do this work. This in passive. This work may not be done. Look at here. In between may and be. Not will be used here. I might not do this work. Look at here. Might. Might is your modal auxiliary verb. And do is your main verb. In between auxiliary and main verb. Not will be established here. I might not do this work. Let's come passive. This work might not be done. Look at here. Might is the modal auxiliary verb. And modal auxiliary verb be, might and be. In between might and be. Not is used here. This work might not be done. I would not take rest. Then would is here auxiliary verb. Main verb is here take. In between auxiliary and main verb. Not is used here. I would not take rest. Rest would not be taken. Rest is here. And would is here. And be is here. In between would and be. Not will be used here. That means rest would not be taken. These are the easiest formula. By this way, you can construct, you can structure the sentence. It only you have to use be actor modal auxiliary verb. But there are some modal auxiliary verbs where have is being used. Let's come to, have you written? Just I am going to rub this. Yes. Just I am going to give you some formula. Let's see here. In case of active voice is here. Active voice. I can have. Don't, I am not expressing this one. Only I am giving the formula. I can have. In passive, it will be can will be can have been. Can have been. Then can had active. Can have had. In passive, it will be can have had been. Like this type, may have active, may have. In passive, may have been. In active, that is may have had. In passive, may have had been. Let's come next one, that is could have. In passive, it will be could have been. Could have had. In modal, could have had. In passive, it will be could have had been. I rub all these. The next one is might, may. This one in active, may have. In passive, it will be may have been. In active, look at here, may have had. Modal, all these are modal. In passive, may have had been. Then next you come here, would have. In passive, would have been. In active, would have had. In passive, it will be would have had been. Like this way, there are so many modals. I hope you all will collect all these and keep in your mind for your future exercise. This is all about my teaching. I hope those who like, they will subscribe, press bell icon and share their friends and relatives. Thanks.